come with all this. This is still sealed up. It's never even been shot. It's like brand new. Not that still glow good. They glow real good. They come with 2 Gen 4 mags. They look brand new. Back straps, the tool, the pin, the loader, brush. But it's left-handed. So what I'm figuring is they ordered so many left-handed and it got put on a shelf and didn't used. And then I ordered the 3 extra Gen 4 mags and they sent me Gen 5. Same mags, except the base plate's got a little curl in them, which I kind of like them in there, look good in there. And then they have orange followers. Short of that, they're the same exact mag, different followers, and the base plate just has a little curve in it. Supposedly the Gen 5 fits all gens. Pretty nice though. She clean. Not bad for $3.59.